Okay, so this morning, one of you sent me a question asking me to send him a formula. So this is the question. So please, can you send me the 2024 new tax formula for PAYE income tax for calculating salaries? So this is my answer to the question. So there is no new formula for calculating the PAYE for 2024. So once we have been able to compute this master payroll, so this has been automated and it has been linked to the tax table over here. So this is what we call soft coding. So we have the tax table here. So you just have to download the tax rates. So once you come in, so I'll leave the link to download in the description for you. So we have the annual tax rate and we have the monthly tax rate. So once you are working with the payroll is mostly calculated on monthly basis. So you use the monthly tax rate. So I will divide my screen by clicking on the window key and the right arrow key. Then I will click on the window key and the left arrow key again. So this will divide my screen. So I'll have my tax with the Excel over here and I have my tax table here. So all that I need to do is to change the chargeable income here. So I'll just type, so this one is 490 and this one is 110, which is the same. This one too is 130, which is the same. And this one is 3167. Then this one is 16,000. And over here is 3520. Then 50,000. So that is it. So let's check before what was the figures and after what was the figures. So before, when it comes to the master payroll, you see we have Mia Brown. This was the PAYE. So this was the PAYE of Mia Brown, which is 7,221.15. So after you have amended the tax rate and you come back to the master payroll, you can see that the tax has reduced to 7,193.62. So that is all. So if you want to know how to formulate the PAYE income tax formula in Excel, you can watch our YouTube video on PAYE using either the if function to formulate the tax or using the sum products function to formulate the PAYE income tax. You can also buy our course on payroll from our website. But if you need a discount, just comment, I need a discount, and we will share with you a coupon code.